Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, I will show you how to build the number blocks from 101 to 110, 200 part 2. So, or we can call 106 to 110. Well, let's begin with the number block 106. 106 is made of 100 blocks, 100 chessboard blocks, and 6 indigo blocks on the top, because 106 is made of 100 plus 6. Well, since the number block 106 is not a prime number because he's an even number, which means he can divide it by 2. What is 106 divided by 2? That's right, 106 divided by 2 is 53. Well, 53 is the 16th member of the prime number, so that means he's the silly number. That's why 106 is also the silly number too, like number block 16, because she loves to do some things. Because she loves happy thing. She loves everything which is happy and fun. Like number block 16, not silly. Because she's 16 loves to do everything which is very funny. That's why 53 and 106 is also doing something which is funny too. Well, anyways, 106 I build him as 100 blocks, which is made of 10 by 10 square formation and 6 blocks on the top. Because 100 is made of 10 by 10, which is a square. Or also you can make 100 by laying 4 blocks wide and 25 blocks tall. And then we need 6 blocks which are lay 2 blocks wide, which means 50. Oh, 4 blocks wide. No, sorry, he cannot make 4 blocks wide. He can make only 2 blocks wide. Sorry. Well, if you lay 2 blocks wide, you see 20. You see he's made of 100 is made of 2 by 50 rectangle formation. And then we need 6 more to make 106. But 6, when you lay 2 blocks wide, you see 2 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. So which means if you add tall together, you need 50 plus 3 is 53, which means he's made of 2 53s. Or you can also build 2 by 53 or 53 by 2, but it's too tall and too long. That's why I made another shape which is very easier, shorter, and better. So 106 I build like that. Well, the 6 blocks is in the middle because 100, when you lay 10 blocks wide, you count 1 to 10, it's an even number, which means if you put even numbers on the top like 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10, you see it's at the middle. Well, if you put odd blocks like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 on the 10 blocks wide or even blocks wide, the blocks which is on the top is not at the middle, so which means it's very ugly to look at it. I love something which is at the middle, but in the another way, if you lay the odd blocks wide by 1 blocks wide, 3 blocks wide, 5 blocks wide, or so on, you see you can put the odds at the middle. Like 101, you can put the one block at the middle. Well, anyways, 106 I built 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I built over 50%. Well, how many blocks? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Need only 26 blocks more to make 106. It's a little bit long to build because the blocks are too many, and and the blocks are to alternate, especially the number block 100. It's to alternate, so that's why it took many times to. Took too much time to build the number block 106. So I don't want to skip or cut this video because I want you how to build the number blocks one by one. Well, 100 and number block 100, the white color shouldn't be white. It should be red, light red or salmon color, because in usual color I see it's a salmon color. But why the set gives the red one? If the heroes with zeros is so beautiful, but I have no chance, so I decided to buy this. So anyways, 100 blocks are finished. So we need only 6 blocks more to make 106. 6 blocks are finished. Look, it's at the middle. So anyways, let's attach the face stickers. And ta-da! Number block 106 is finished. Alright, let's move on to the number block 107. Alright, for the next number block is number block 107. Number block 107 is made of 100 blocks and 7 rainbow blocks, which means 107 is made of 100 plus 7. Well, since the number block 107 cannot make any rectangles, which means he's the prime number. Well, 107 is the 28th prime number, so that's why he has a helmet. Do you know why? 28 can split into two 14s, and 14 loves to skate every time. So which means 28 is also the skater, just my assumption. So that's why 107 is also a skater like number block 43. Alright, I built 107 by using 9 by 12 rectangle formation, but no one block in this hole. Anyways, let's attach the stickers. Ta-da! Here is the number block 107. You see, there's a helmet and his alternative eyebrows, because 14 has rainbow eyebrows. That's why number block 43, 86, 107, or including 191 has a shades of eyebrows. So let's continue on to the number block 108. Okay, for the next number block is number block 108. Number block 108 is made of 100 blocks and 8 pink blocks, because 108 is made of 100 plus 8. Since 108 can make many rectangles, which means he's a super duper rectangle, because he can make more than 8 rectangles, which means he's a super duper rectangle. He's made of 6 18s, 12 9s, 9 12s, 18 6s, 4 27s, 27 4s, 2 54s, or 54 2s, or including 108 ones, or 108. Anyways, I built number block 108 by using 9 by 12 rectangle formation. Here is the finish of the number block 108. So let's attach this face stickers. Ta-da! Number block 108 is finished because the face is like number block 18. You see? It's because he's made of 6 18s. That's why he can divide it in 6 18s. That's why he has the face like number block 18. Let's make the number block 109. Alright, for the next number block is number block 109. Number block 109 is made of 100 blocks and 9 gray blocks, because 109 is made of 100 plus 9. Well, since number block 109 cannot make any rectangles, which means she's the prime number. Also, 109 is the 29th prime number. That's why her face, oopsie, is like the bunny, like the usual. The numbers which can divide it into 29s, but except from 29s like 58, 87, 116, and so on, which can divide it by 29, except from 29, 290, or 2900, which means that number is the bunny number. Well, number block 109 need only 9 blocks more to make 109. See, the number block 109, the blocks are finished. Let's attach the face stickers. Here is the finish of the number block 109, which has the gray features because gray means 9 and 9 represents that 9 in 100 blocks, which means 9 blocks in 100 blocks. Let's move on to the last character is number block 110. For the last number block is 110. Number block 110 is made of 100 blocks and 10 white blocks because 110 is made of 100 plus 10. Since the number block 110 is the football player, which means she can split into 10 11s or 11 10s. That's why I can recognize her by using 2 star-shaped eye. One for the left eye is bigger and one for the right eye is smaller. Just like number block 11 because she's the 10th member of the football 11 club. The 100 blocks are finished. We need 10 more blocks to make 110. Wow, so cool, right? I built 11 by 10 rectangle formation. Let's attach the face stickers. Ta-da! Number block 110 is finished, which means she has a rectangle's eyes because the number from the 68 until more than 68, more than 60 has rectangle eyes to make it more beautiful. Which means number block 110 is a super rectangle. I don't know, let's just count. 1 by 110, 2 by 55, 3, 5 by 22, 10 by 11, 11 by 10, 11 by 10, 22 by 5, 55 by 2, and 110 by 1, which means she's just not only the super rectangle club, she's also be a super duper rectangle club. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Which one do you like the most? 106, 107, 108, 109, or 110? Please leave the comments below and I will look at your comments. Well, anyways, if you enjoy this video, you can click like, subscribe, and click bell icon for more videos. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.